Is there still reason for hope when it comes to saving the traditional brewery Diekirch? The Brasserie de Luxembourg Muselle Diekirch SA announced on Wednesday in a press release that the location of the Luxembourgish brewery will be bought out by a group of private investors. The jobs previously threatened thereby remain largely untouched. Who exactly is behind this Luxembourg group of private investors remains a secret for now because the investors want to stay anonymous until the completion of a definitive agreement. Justice Minister Francois Bilchen has presented the outline of prison reforms. He wants more focus towards the reintegration of prisoners into society. In a philosophy where the reactive system punishes the prisoner and locks them up pending completion of sentence, the Justice Minister wants to move to a more proactive philosophy whereby the prisoner, the judicial system and prison authorities are committed to thinking about the release of the inmate from the first day of confinement. To do this, the Minister stated a desire to humanise the prison, proposed building a new facility in Sanem, and then to begin a better distribution of prisoners between that facility and Schrassig. The majority of chickens sold in the European Union, and all of those sold in Luxembourg recently, were contaminated with a bacteria that can cause severe poisoning if the meat is not cooked enough, warns the European Aviation Safety Agency, EFSA. In a report released yesterday, the agency said that 76% of chickens it tested in European slaughterhouses in 2008 were contaminated with Campylobacter and 16% by Salmonella. Both bacteria can cause fever and diarrhea. Salmonella, though, is destroyed by cooking at high heats.